Have you ever pondered about the intriguing fact that certain illnesses and syndromes are specific to a particular culture or region? Our world is a rich tapestry of diverse cultures, each with its unique beliefs and practices. These differences not only shape our behaviors and values, but they also extend into the realm of health and well-being. Welcome to the intriguing world of culture-specific syndromes and illnesses. Let's set sail to the Philippines first, where we find an interesting syndrome known as bugat. This is a condition believed to be caused by a sudden change in temperature, like moving from a hot environment to a cold one. Symptoms can range from a simple headache to more serious health issues. It's not just about physical discomfort, but a deep-seated cultural belief that our bodies need to maintain a balance with the environment around us. Next, we journey to Southeast Asia, where the concept of usog or buyog is deeply ingrained. This syndrome is thought to be caused by a stranger or an unfamiliar person praising or complimenting a child without doing a certain ritual, like touching the child lightly. The child then experiences symptoms such as fever, vomiting, or even convulsions. While this might sound unusual to some, it is a deeply rooted belief in these communities, demonstrating how culture can shape our understanding of health and illness. These examples highlight the fascinating intersection of culture and health. They underscore the importance of understanding cultural context when addressing health issues. After all, the way we perceive health and illness is largely influenced by our cultural beliefs and practices. Cultural syndromes and illnesses remind us that health is not just a physical or biological issue. It is a complex interplay of our beliefs, environment, and social interactions. So, next time you hear about an illness or syndrome, remember to consider the cultural lens through which it is viewed. It's fascinating to see how culture can shape our understanding of health and illness, isn't it? Now, how do we identify these illnesses? What tools or systems are in place to diagnose them? Well, there's an array of diagnostic systems across the globe, each with its unique approach. On one hand, we have traditional methods deeply rooted in various cultures. These systems often rely on an intimate understanding of the individual's environment, lifestyle, and beliefs. The focus is not just on physical symptoms, but also on emotional and spiritual aspects of health. For instance, a traditional healer might diagnose an illness based on a person's dreams, their interactions with others, or changes in their daily routine. On the other hand, we have modern Western methods. These lean heavily on scientific research and technological advancements. Blood tests, MRIs, X-rays, you name it. The aim here is to identify specific biological or physiological changes in the body that indicate illness. These two approaches might seem worlds apart at first glance, yet they share a common goal: to understand and address health issues. Traditional methods offer a holistic view of health, taking into account the intricate interplay between physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Meanwhile, Western methods provide precise, quantifiable data, allowing for targeted treatments. In terms of effectiveness, both have their strengths and limitations. Traditional methods can be effective for certain culture-specific syndromes but may lack precision for complex medical conditions. Conversely, Western methods offer precision but may overlook the emotional and spiritual aspects of health. Diagnosis is the first step in addressing any health issue, and it's intriguing to see how different systems approach this crucial step. Once an illness is diagnosed, the next step is prevention and healing. But how does this process differ across cultures and systems? Across the globe, numerous cultures have distinct ways of addressing health issues. Traditional, Western, and alternative healing systems each have their unique features and effectiveness. Let's delve into traditional healing methods first. Rooted deeply in cultural practices and beliefs, these methods often focus on the holistic well-being of an individual, encompassing the body, mind, and spirit. They might involve herbal remedies, acupuncture, meditation, and spiritual rituals. For instance, in the Philippines, traditional healers might employ hilot, a form of massage, to treat various ailments. On the other hand, Western medicine, also known as allopathic medicine, is grounded in scientific research and clinical trials. It aims to prevent and cure diseases, mainly through pharmaceuticals, surgery, and other medical procedures. It's predominantly reactive, treating symptoms and diseases as they occur. Alternative healing systems, meanwhile, can be seen as a bridge between traditional and Western medicine. These include practices like homeopathy, naturopathy, and chiropractic treatments. They often emphasize prevention and utilize natural therapies, yet they also draw on scientific knowledge. Each of these systems has its strengths and limitations. Traditional methods offer a holistic, personalized approach, but may lack scientific validation. Western medicine provides evidence-based treatments, yet its focus on disease rather than overall wellness can be limiting. Alternative systems attempt to combine the best of both worlds but can sometimes fall into the trap of pseudoscience. In reality, many cultures and individuals employ a blend of these systems, choosing what works best for them. This variety in healthcare reflects the diversity of human experiences and perspectives on health and well-being. In the end, it's crucial to respect and acknowledge these different approaches. They each contribute to our understanding of health and disease, offering unique insights and potential solutions. The diversity in prevention and healing methods across the world is a testament to the richness and complexity of human health. Now, let's delve into an important question. Is health a human right? The answer is an unequivocal yes. Health, in its broadest sense, is not merely the absence of disease or infirmity but a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. This comprehensive definition underscores the importance of health as a fundamental human right, not a privilege reserved for the few. Universal access to healthcare is an essential aspect of this right. This means that every individual, regardless of their cultural or socioeconomic background, should have access to the medical services they need, without suffering financial hardship. It's not just about hospitals and doctors, it's about the systems and services that promote and protect health, like clean water, nutrition, and social protection. Governments, as the custodians of their citizens' health, play a crucial role in ensuring this right. They have a responsibility to create conditions that allow people to be as healthy as possible. This involves funding healthcare services, making policies that promote public health, and ensuring the availability of essential medicines. International organizations like the World Health Organization also have a role to play. They set standards, provide technical support, and monitor progress towards health goals. In conclusion, health is not a commodity, but a human right. It is the responsibility of governments and international organizations to ensure that this right is respected, protected, and fulfilled. Health, being a fundamental human right, should be accessible to all, transcending the barriers of culture, location, and socioeconomic status. With all that we've discussed, it's clear that understanding health and illness is a complex process. We've delved into the fascinating world of culture-specific syndromes and illnesses, where health problems unique to certain cultures like Bughat and Yusog or Buyag have shown us the intricate interplay between culture and health. We've also navigated through the diverse systems of diagnosis, prevention, and healing. From traditional methods steeped in ancestral wisdom to modern Western medicine and the growing field of alternative healing systems, we've seen the myriad ways societies work to maintain and restore health. And finally, we've grappled with the concept of health as a human right, a principle that underscores the importance of access to healthcare for all, regardless of their background, culture, or socioeconomic status. Next time you think about health, remember that it's an intricate tapestry woven with threads of culture, tradition, and human rights. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.